Hey everyone, welcome back to Hurricane Web. In this video, we are going to learn how to add this Particle.js background in a React.js project. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we will create a React.js starter project and then we will implement Particle.js as a background in our project. So we need to type npm create byte at latest and then hit enter. And then we will give our project name as Particle.js and hit enter. And then from here we'll select React and then JavaScript. So now we need to type cd Particle.js or particle background and hit enter, and then npm install. So let's run the project. npm run dev. Let's see how it's look. So here we can see our React.js starter project. Now we will implement Particle.js in it. For using Particle.js in our project, we need to install these two packages. I will add this document link in the description so you guys can copy it from there. So we need to copy these packages, Ctrl C, and then here I kill the terminal and paste the packages here and hit enter. So here we can see our packages already installed. So if we go to our package.json, here we can see our react-tsparticles and tsparticles already installed. So now we will create a component folder. So components, and then here inside our components folder we will create a file which name will be particle.jsx. Here we need to type rfc and hit enter, and then here we need to import particles from react-tsparticles, and then we need to import loadful from tsparticles, and then here we need to type async function load particles, main await loadful main. Here we need to type particle and then id tsparticles, init load particles, and then options. So here we need to copy this particles element, so we need to copy it and then paste it here. And then now we need to go to our app.jsx. There we'll clear everything and then type rfc and hit enter, and then here we need to import our particle.js component. So we need to type particle.js, and here we'll add a class name which name will be app container, and then below our particle.js we'll create another div and we'll give class name as content, and inside our content div we'll create a heading h1 and its class name will be title, and here we can type welcome to Hurricane Web, and then here we'll create a p tag with class name description, and then here we'll type lorem10 and hit enter, save it. We also will import our app.css, so we need to type import /app.css, save it, and then let's go to our app.css. Here we will clean all the CSS and then we will add our CSS. So first we will add our app container CSS. We need to type position relative and then height 95 bh with 100%. Overflow hidden. Display flex. Align item center. Justify content center. And then we will add our content CSS. So here we need to type position absolute and then z index 1. Text align center. Color white. And then for our title we need to add font size 3 rem, font weight bold, and then for description font size 1.5 rem. So now our project is ready to run. So let's run the project. So here we cannot see our text, so it's happened because we need to clear our index.css too. So Control All, clear and save it. And now let's see how it's look. So here we can see our text, and this is the background from our Particle.js. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you guys have any query, you guys can comment it in the comment box. Thank you everyone.